Oh my gosh, totally did it. Thank you, thank you, thank you, COA, for my beautiful 10K award. Honestly, when I first saw the testimonial video by Anna, and she was like, I'm like done with coaching, I'm gonna totally quit, and then she went through your program and shared her testimonial and how easy it was to get 10K. I was like, I think I can do that too, and here I am. So thank you guys for supporting me. Thank you, Ed, for being an amazing mentor, for pushing me through when it got really, really hard. And thank you, Anna, for recruiting me. Thank you, Carla, for your beautiful energy. Thank you, Eric, for my original call and recruiting me to this incredible community. And thank you, Caron. I love you so much. I'm so happy that I met you through COA. And thank you to all of my clients. And thank you, Jan, for the positive phone calls and inspiration and uplifting philosophy and womanly advice. I love you. Thank you to everyone. I'm truly blessed to be a part of such a powerful community, and know that I'm not special. Like, you can do this too. If you're out there and you're like, oh my gosh, here's another video. No, like, this means like you are next, yeah? And everything happens for a reason, so let's go!